Good morning, students. Again, I'm going to continue Chapter 6, Public Sector Enterprises, part number 33. In the previous videos, we have discussed about the meaning of public sector enterprises, features, merits and demerits. Now we will start with the suitability of public sector enterprises, where the public sector enterprises type of business is suitable. So first of all, we start with the suitability of public sector enterprises. Now, a departmental organization does not fulfill the requirements of autonomy, flexibility and initiative that are very essential for a successful business undertakings. However, it is very suitable in the following cases. Now, first case is where utmost secrecy is required. Where utmost secrecy is required. In the type of business where the secrecy is required. For example, defense production and autonomy energy. For example, defense production and atomic energy, where we need the secrecy. Now, second point is where absolute government control over the strategic industry is necessary. Where absolute government control over strategic industries is necessary. Industries is necessary. For example, broadcasting, telecommunication, public utilities. For example, broadcasting, telecommunications, and public utilities, etc. Third point is where economic control is necessary. Where economic control is necessary. For example, state trading in essential commodities. For example, state trading in essential commodities and rationing. Fourth point is where the private sector is unable to enter. Where the private sector is unable to enter due to huge capital investment. Due to huge capital investment. For example, shipbuilding, aircraft manufacturer, iron and steel, etc. Iron and steel, etc. Now the last is where the undertaking is to be used as a source of revenue. Where the undertakings is to be used as a source of revenue. Source of revenue. For example, Indian Airways. Okay, so these all are the we can say that these all are the cases where the public sector enterprises is suitable to establish. Okay, so first, where the utmost secrecy is required. Second, where absolute government control over strategic industries is necessary. Third, where economic control is necessary. And fourth, where the private sector is unable to enter due to the huge capital investment in the business. And the last one is where the undertakings is to be used as a source of revenue. Okay, hope it is clear to you, the suitability of public sector enterprises. So that's all for today. Thank you.